Alright, welcome back to Junk Food Taster Riddles. And obviously this is not food. This is something else. And yeah. What could this be? So next scene. Next scene shows part, which is part of the item. Alright. And we got two more scenes. This one here. And yeah. And here comes the last scene. And yeah. I hope you have some sort of idea. The stopper comes right now. Ta-da! Here comes the solution, and it's a ball pen. Here we go. And inside the ball pen is also the spring, which I showed you. And the tip. Good. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next riddle.